This is Mark from Phace Installations. We've got this Land Rover Discovery 2016 in. Beautiful vehicle. But if you've got a Discovery, you're going to be used to the entertainment system being well out of date. It's got loads of gadgets in it. TV, DVDs, may even have headrests, I'm not sure. Yes, so it's fully loaded, this. Headrest, TVs, everything. But the mapping's out of date. I think Land Rover want 300 quid just to update the maps. And as you know, the minute those maps are put on, they're already out of date. So why don't you let us upgrade your entertainment system, keep the factory look. We can add things like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto depending on what phone you've got. So let's show you inside the vehicle. So if I just jump in. So that's the entertainment system there. As you can see, let's just get in properly. So that's the Bosch system, okay, on this Disco. It's all right. It's touch screen. It's got all the toys, but it's a bit out of date. Yeah. Anyway, so we've added Apple CarPlay because this customer is an Apple user. So how would you like it now if we replace the nav by pressing that button once and giving you more modern functions? So this is now Apple CarPlay. We can also put Android Auto in if you're an Android user. The customer, as I said, is an Apple user. So if you want to make a phone call now, you just touch the phone button. If you use Apple Music, you can do that, or Apple Maps. So you've got all the latest mapping. So it's all fully up to date. No messing around, because it's all powered by your mobile phone. So whatever your phone's got, this will be up to date. Okay. If I had my gloves off, it might scroll a bit smoother. So we've got Google Maps there, Spotify, Amazon Music. So if you want to play all your favourite music. So we haven't changed the screen. So this is still all factory system, factory screen. We've just added a module to give it more up-to-date functions. So now I can play my favourite music from my playlist, all from here. Very straightforward, very easy. You can control it all, fast forward to a next track, whatever. Yeah. So there's no sound because due to YouTube's copyrights, we'll get a strike, so I can't play any sound, but clearly it will work. So you're not losing anything other than the original navigation system by pressing obviously the nav button. That took away the nav, but it was out of date, so what's the point? So now we can use Waze or Apple Maps or Google Maps, all fully up to date, which is absolutely fantastic. But if we do want to use just the standard Land Rover system, press the home button, it'll come away from Apple CarPlay. So then you can just use whatever you want to use. If you want to change the radio station to whatever, you can do. It's all there. But for sound, for Apple CarPlay to have sound, it must be set to AUX. So you go to, source and AUX. Okay, that will then give you sound in CarPlay. So we can just go back to navigation, and as long as you never turn that off from AUX, auxiliary, then you'll never have any issues with sound. Okay. Now, some people said to me, I just don't like jumping out of CarPlay because I want to just listen to the radio. So jump out of it, then you could go to the radio. Yeah, it's no biggie, but it's not for everybody, is it? So if you download an app called Radio Player, it covers, except for BBC, I think BBC have now changed it and you have to use BBC Sounds because that's what they like. But it has a lot of the DAB radio stations on this app, and you don't ever have to come out of Apple CarPlay if you just want to listen to the radio. So if I want to listen to my favourite stations now, I can just click whatever I want and it will now play it. Simple as that, and I don't ever have to come out of CarPlay. So I can then still listen to my favourite music while Google Maps is guiding me somewhere. So I've got my maps, I've got my music. Simple, all on one screen. Great upgrade. So yeah, hope you like this. It does make a huge difference because these vehicles are absolutely lovely. All Jaguars, all Land Rovers, all prestige vehicles. Just out of date with their entertainment system if the vehicle is a little bit older than, you know, a few years. So this gives it a whole new lease of life. Plus, when you put the vehicle in reverse, if your vehicle's got reverse camera, you don't lose any functions. You've still got your reverse camera. The only thing you lose was your original nav. No one cares about that because it's out of date. So don't put your money into Land Rover up to date in the maps that are well out of date. Come to us. You can borrow a courtesy car while we're working on your vehicle. It's nice and easy, same day turnaround, and you can have a fantastic system like this. Switch it off, it all goes off. Very, very simple. It's wireless, so you don't have to plug your phone in. It's all wireless via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It does come with a USB socket if you want to use USB to plug your phone in to charge and to do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but you don't have to. Best of both worlds. Hope you like this video. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel. It really does help small companies like us. We do go the extra mile to look after your pride and joy. Keep it with you for longer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.